Thank you for the view. Kindly follow and share, guys. Follow and share, please. Follow and share. Only 9 posts in Instagram. Yes, only 9 posts because my Instagram is new. That is new, not more than 6 months. Maybe just only. You want me to follow back on Instagram? I will try. I will try. Taray ng peg. Hindi naman ako mataray eh. I'm just a simple lady. It's just like pagbukas ko ng live, na-irritate ako. I just feel irritated and then I feel annoying. RV, thank you. How are you? I'm good. Thank you for watching me, 79 viewers. Hello guys, kindly follow and share. Good evening everyone, welcome. Salam, salam, salam. Hello. Hello from Doha. How are you all guys? I don't follow a lot in here in TikTok because some if you follow back, sometimes if you are someone is, you can easily get hacked. No, if you follow them. If I follow you back, even though you are not a fake, just to avoid troubles. I love what I'm doing. I love this. I want to become. I don't want to get lost of this account. Just don't try to follow all because some of them are hacker.